Welcome to this exciting video. Today I am making 100% natural herbal shampoo that's packed with powerful ingredients like Shikakai, Amla, Reetha, Rosemary, onion juice, and more. After using this shampoo for over a month, I'm thrilled to share its tremendous results with you. It's completely safe, promotes healthy hair growth, reduces hair fall, and deeply nourishes your scalp. Unlike store-bought shampoos, this one is free from harmful chemicals and enriched with the goodness of nature. Stay with me till the end, as I'll also share tips on adding key ingredients for longer shelf life and better results. Let's get started. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need for this herbal shampoo. 60 grams of Shikakai, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of Fenugreek Seeds, 2 tablespoons of Nigella Seeds, 60 grams of Amla, 60 grams of Reetha. Step 1. Soaking the herbs. Start by soaking the Shikakai, Amla, and Reetha in 1.5 litres of water in a bowl. Let them soak overnight. In another bowl, soak the flaxseed, Fenugreek seeds, and Nigella seeds in 1 kilogram of water overnight. Step 2. Preparing the shampoo base. While the herbs are soaking, mix approximately 180 to 200 grams of shampoo base. Mix with half kilogram lukewarm rice water in a bowl. Stir the mixture at short intervals with a spoon to ensure it's fully combined and smooth. Next morning, I remove the seeds from the Amla, Reetha, and Shikakai. Check our shampoo base has completely melted now. I am adding a few more ingredients to the infusion of Shikakai, Amla, and Reetha. To this, I am adding 60 grams of rosemary, along with the juice of 3 to 4 onions. I'm also using onion peels for extra benefits. For a natural fragrance in the shampoo, I'm adding rose petals. Place the infused herbs, along with the added ingredients of rosemary, onion juice, onion peels, and rose petals, on the flame. Cook them until all the benefits from the ingredients are released into the water. Once the water reduces to less than half a kilogram, remove it from the flame. Strain the mixture and return it to the pot. Now add the flaxseed, fenugreek, and Nigella seeds to the pot for further cooking. After cooking the second mixture, strain it again and combine it with the earlier infused Amla, Reetha, and Shikakai infusion. Combine the half kilogram of Herbal Infusion with the half kilogram of dissolved shampoo base in a bowl. Mix them thoroughly to achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Now add 85 to 90 grams of KD, which is approximately 12 tablespoons, to the shampoo. Gradually mix it in while stirring to achieve the desired consistency. KD is a shampoo thickening agent that helps achieve the perfect consistency for your shampoo. It also enhances the lathering effect, giving your shampoo a smooth and professional texture. Next, add 65 grams, 10 tablespoons of cocoa betaine. Cocoa betaine is a mild surfactant derived from coconut oil, known for its gentle cleansing and foaming properties. It helps remove dirt and excess oil without stripping the hair of its natural moisture, leaving it soft and manageable. Now, add 65 grams, 10 tablespoons, of white pearl liquid to give the shampoo a beautiful pearly shine. If you prefer more shine, you can increase the amount to 90 to 100 grams. White pearl liquid is a cosmetic-grade ingredient that adds a luxurious pearly shine and creamy texture to the shampoo. It enhances the visual appeal and gives the shampoo a premium, professional look while being gentle on the hair and scalp. Add 5 tablespoons of glycerin. Glycerin is a natural humectant that attracts moisture to the hair, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness. It helps reduce frizz, improves hair elasticity, and promotes a softer, smoother texture, making it an excellent ingredient for healthy and manageable hair. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil is rich in nutrients like ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp and improving blood circulation. It strengthens hair strands, reduces breakage, prevents split ends, and deeply moisturizes for softer, shinier, and healthier hair. Mix half a tablespoon of xanthan gum in glycerin to help thicken the shampoo to the perfect consistency. If you don't have xanthan gum, you can increase the quantity of KD to achieve the desired thickness. At this stage, you can add colour and fragrance to the shampoo. I am using a pink colour, but you can choose any colour of your preference. For fragrance, I have opted for the natural aroma of rose petals, avoiding artificial fragrances. However, if you prefer, you can add an artificial fragrance of your choice. Finally, add half a teaspoon of sodium benzoate, a natural preservative that ensures a longer shelf life for your shampoo. After making the shampoo, cover it and leave it aside for 12 hours. This will help eliminate all the foam. And that's it. Your all-natural herbal shampoo is now ready for use. It's perfect for nourishing and cleansing your hair with natural ingredients. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more amazing DIY tutorials.